To replenish their spent energy, large pythons need gigantic prey, and goats are one of their favorite meals. Typically, pythons devour their kill in the same location where the deadly attack took place. However, if they sense other predators nearby, they may drag their meal a considerable distance to hide. This tactic of moving the prey requires a massive amount of extra energy, which can be a problem for a cold-blooded reptile. Because of this, the python must begin to feed immediately before the smell of the decaying meat attracts unwanted carnivores. Like other constrictor snakes, pythons swallow their prey whole. The secret to swallowing a meal larger than their own head lies in their jaw. The ligaments between the bones stretch impressively. With 4 rows of extremely sharp, backward curved teeth, it's common for a python to accidentally bite its own skin during the process. If this happens, it can take a considerable amount of time for the snake to untangle itself and continue eating. To avoid suffocation while feeding, the python has a flexible glottis that allows it to breathe while swallowing, even if the meal takes many hours. The jaws move independently, allowing the python to advance one at a time. The stench of the decaying meat attracts blowflies and other insects, which try to lay their eggs on the goat's cadaver. But the python's fast-moving jaws prevent the insects from getting the chance to do so.